We will now talk to the lady who was Her Royal Highness Princess Diana. We are often asked by people if Diana was here, standing here today, what would she say to her sons?
If I was alive, do you mean?
Now you have the opportunity now.
Oh.
If they ever get to hear it.
Yes. My youngest son, you are very sincere. You are deeply loving, but your hurt affects your actions and has led you to be unfairly influenced, to be less than you are. To my eldest son, grasp the future when it comes, for it will require change beyond that which you can currently foresee to succeed. Those given power cannot run away. If you run away, you are telling people that they don't have to face the difficulties of their life. You can't run away from responsibility and position and power and then preach to others about what to do. You must embrace the difficulties of your life and share with others how they too can do the same. Thank you.